and day 3 is a wrap. So today was a port day. We were in Falmouth, Jamaica. I did not get off the ship today just because sometimes the port days are the best days for doing what we're actually here for, which is filming the ship. So I spent a good part of the morning walking around the upper decks and filming them while they were relatively empty. I also learned there's a lot more to this ship than I had previously found. Found some of my new favorite spots on the ship, particularly the Skywalker nightclub. That was really cool. Skywalker nightclub. Nightclub. That was really cool. It's like an observation deck that they turned into a nightclub, and it was open to go in and look there. There were some beautiful views from up there. And then also back in front of the sanctuary, you have the Lotus Spa pool. That's like a really beautiful secluded spot. I didn't get to sit back there today, but I think that that's going to be part of my plan for tomorrow. And then other than that, let's see, I played Pictionary with some people, super fun. Played a game called Elevator Roulette. That was really funny and fun. I had a good time.
Shall we go for it? 1, 2, 3, game starts now.
No, es video. Subiendo
It doesn't have to be you.
Which one did you put?
I put 6.
6?
Yeah.
Yes.
It has to be one of the guests who plays to go
Here comes the guest.
Tiene que esperarse y gana el que tenga la...
Hello. How you doing? Put number 3. Press number 3. If you want to
No,
go.
that's not fair because we want to press this side too. We all line up.
No importa que le escuchen y se mira que abra la puerta.
Yeah, because upstairs you got to push that side and that side.
Did you press? You press 3?
Did not win. And then I went and sat back in the terrace pool area again in one of the upper levels known as the Skybox. And I knew it was called the Skybox because I ordered a drink for delivery, which was awesome because you don't have to wait at the bar. You just wait for them to bring it to you. So I sat up there and I crocheted for a little while and listened to an audiobook and watched the waves next to the boat. And then, yeah, I went and saw the band that was singing at what was supposed to be Sail Away, but we sailed away late. I haven't found out why yet. I couldn't hear the captain when he came on, and nobody has been able to answer that question for me. But we did leave the port like about an hour and a half late. So the gangway was up, so I know it wasn't like a delayed excursion or anything, so I'll be interested to figure that out. And then, yeah, I had dinner and went down and did sports trivia.
Are you ready with number 1? Yeah? Let's go for it. Okay. Number 1. Everybody got your pencils? Okay. How many of you are Googlers? The Googlers? No Googling. I know you. All right. Now, don't cry. It's just a trivia. Let's go for it.
Trivia, I got 9 out of 20, which is actually better than I thought. They did a losers prize, which I did not get because I cheated off of some people around me for some of the answers, and I probably would have if I hadn't done that. And yeah, that was pretty much my day. The 80s party is tonight. I was gonna try to stay up and do that, but I don't think that's gonna happen. It's inside.
It's a chance. What is the name of the song? Short Dressed Man. Why did you even say short dressed man? Like Josh? No, it's not. It's not short dressed man. It's not short dressed man. It's not sharp dressed man. What is it? ZZ Top. No, the name of the song you're looking for. The name of the song. Keep playing it. Keep playing it.
It's inside and it's a lot of people. Yeah, that's really it. It was a busy day for me, but not much interesting for you. Tomorrow is a sea day. I have a bunch of stuff planned that I'm excited to go and try around the ship as there is more activities going on. And then Monday is Cartagena, which I am super excited about because I have the walking tour. So I will be mentally preparing myself for that. And yeah, that's what I did today. As always, please take a moment to like or subscribe to the video. It does help us a lot as we bring you content like this. And I will see you tomorrow.